Hey, this is More Than a Dietitian, and I'm making stuffed pork tenderloin. First, I butterfly my tenderloin and used a mallet to flatten my portion of pork. On both sides, I season really well with poultry seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, smoked paprika, salt, and pepper, as you see here. Bam. And after I season it really well, I use stovetop stuffing. And when I use for Thanksgiving and Christmas, I use a stuffing mix and homemade cornbread with salt and pepper, poultry seasoning, sage, chopped onions, garlic, celery, and chicken stock, and a little bit of egg. Now, the quick and dirty version, just use stovetop stuffing. Lastly, I line my sheet pan with aluminum foil for easy cleanup, and then I place my tenderloin tightly wrapped in that aluminum foil to keep those juices in. And next, we're gonna see how my tenderloin turned out. I love using the pork thermometer I got from the National Pork Association. For the most accurate results, you're gonna go to the thickest part of the meat and make sure the internal temperature is at least at 145 degrees. And you're gonna let it rest for at least 3 minutes. I chose a Thanksgiving theme, so I have sweet potatoes with asparagus and some cranberry sauce. Recipe in the caption below. Enjoy!